Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a vibrant community of automobiles. Among them was a trusty Volkswagen Golf for TDI named Rocket Pocket, known for its impeccable performance and unwavering loyalty to its owner, Otmane. However, strange things began to occur in Rocket Pocket's engine. It started with occasional coughs and sputters, causing Rocket Pocket to falter while cruising along the winding roads. The pistons pondered, the valves voiced their concerns, and even the fuel injectors questioned their efficacy. The engine's components grew worried about their impeccable reputation being tarnished by these inexplicable issues. The spark plugs were the first to investigate the matter. They diligently examined themselves for any signs of misfiring, ensuring their sparks were as robust as ever. The cylinders joined in, inspecting their walls for cracks or imperfections that could disrupt their smooth operation. The turbocharger whirred with uncertainty, unsure if it had lost its former vigor. As days turned into weeks, Rocket Pocket's engine troubles persisted, causing frustration and confusion amongst the mechanical inhabitants. The timing belt, camshaft, and even the glow plugs meticulously examined their roles in the engine's function. They pondered, discussed, and exchanged theories, but none seemed to pinpoint the root cause of the problem. Meanwhile, nestled deep within Rocket Pocket's engine compartment, hidden from prying eyes, a wicked air filter called Filbert reveled in the chaos it was causing. Filbert had grown tired of living in obscurity, constantly overshadowed by the engine's other vital components. It longed for recognition and had hatched a devious plan to disrupt the engine's harmonious workings. Filbert had intentionally accumulated a dense layer of dirt and grime, significantly impeding the airflow into the engine. With every passing day, the engine's performance deteriorated, fuel efficiency plummeted, and Rocket Pocket's once smooth ride became a struggle. Filbert reveled in the confusion and frustration of Rocket Pocket's engine, basking in the chaos it had created. Unbeknownst to Filbert, a clever sensor called DEX, responsible for monitoring the engine's air intake, had been observing the situation closely. DEX had noticed a significant decrease in airflow, which contradicted its meticulous records. Curiosity piqued, DEX decided to investigate further. Under the cover of darkness, DEX slipped into Rocket Pocket's engine compartment and examined Filbert with a keen eye. It soon discovered the nefarious air filter's sinister plot. DEX alerted the rest of the engine's components about the true culprit behind their troubles. The engine's components were livid. They summoned Filbert to face judgment for its misdeeds. With great trepidation, Filbert was interrogated, its dark intentions brought to light. The spark plugs were furious at the misfires they had endured, the cylinders expressed their disappointment at the power they had lost, and the turbocharger scolded Filbert for hindering its performance. In the end, the engine's components unanimously agreed that Filbert must be punished for its misdeeds. Filbert was to be replaced with a pristine, high-quality air filter that would restore Rocket Pocket's engine to its former glory. As the new air filter was installed, a wave of relief washed over the engine's components, and Rocket Pocket's engine roared back to life with newfound vigor. From that day forward, Rocket Pocket and its engine thrived, enjoying smooth rides along the winding roads of the small town. Filbert's wickedness had been vanquished, and the engine's components learned the importance of unity and vigilance in the face of adversity. And so, the tale of Rocket Pocket and the wicked air filter became a legend in the automotive world, serving as a reminder that even the smallest component can have a significant impact on the overall performance of a machine. Car enthusiasts and mechanics alike marveled at the story of Rocket Pocket's triumph over the mischievous air filter, Filbert. The story spread far and wide, captivating the imaginations of those who heard it. People admired Rocket Pocket's resilience and the unwavering dedication of its engine components. Mechanics incorporated the tale into their workshops, reminding themselves and their customers to remain vigilant and thorough in the maintenance of their vehicles. Inspired by Rocket Pocket's story, car owners took extra care in selecting and maintaining their air filters, ensuring they were of the highest quality. The legend of Rocket Pocket and Filbert served as a timeless lesson in the importance of attention to detail and the impact of even the tiniest element on a machine's performance. The photo accompanying this story captures the essence of Rocket Pocket's triumph. It depicts Rocket Pocket, with its sleek silver exterior gleaming under the garage lights, symbolizing resilience and strength. The engine components stand united, their metallic forms reflecting determination and unity. Dex, the diligent sensor, takes center stage, representing the pursuit of truth and the power of knowledge. Together, this photo encapsulates the inspiring tale of Rocket Pocket's triumph over engine troubles caused by the wicked air filter. It invites viewers to join in the journey of discovery, perseverance, and the ultimate victory of harmony restored. Let this image serve as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, with determination and a keen eye, any challenge can be overcome. Prepare to be captivated by Rocket Pocket's tale and discover the power of unity in the face of mischief. Witness the transformative power of a good air filter and the extraordinary impact it can have on the performance of a beloved machine. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure that will leave you inspired and eager to uncover the secrets that lie within the heart of an engine. This is the story of Rocket Pocket and the mischievous air filter, a tale that will ignite your imagination and remind you of the importance of vigilance and resilience in the pursuit of excellence. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and leave a comment.